the largest sports car DIY video library in the world. It is so cool to do something with the ending of the world, meaning that we literally hold a place that no one in the world has. And it's taken close to 1,000 videos. We have over 1,000 videos right now, but I would say about 80% of those are DIY videos. And these have taken us years, and we have done comprehensive videos for the R33 GTR, Toyota Supra, Honda S2000, NA1 NSX, NA2 NSX, NC1 NSX, the Porsche 981 GT4, the 911, the S800, the Mercedes AMG GT-S, each one of those, and we've done more by the way, but each one of those, we have done a video how to do the oil change or how to do the transmission fluid or how to do all the most popular modifications. And it's been cool because we started off with one car and then we realized why not do it for all the cars that we could find that are popular sports cars. Now I do envy Chris Fix because he does really inexpensive cars that are mass populated, as far as the production numbers are in the tens of millions, Ford Explorers and Honda Civics. And it's super cool because he's providing a service for cars that are used every day. But I wanted to do a similar thing, my own thing with sports cars. So when a new owner gets one, they have a whole library they could follow. And the cool thing is that when they sell the car, a new owner looks at our videos and it's a continuous cycle. But it's not always peachy. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're making a video like Chris Fix on a Ford Explorer and you're getting sponsored by Advanced Auto Parts, you're not really stepping on anyone's toes. There's not a guy out there who's like sitting in his house and like, I'm the king of the Explorers and I know everything about Explorers and you're messing with my, industry and blah, blah, blah. We actually make impacts between shops, between manufacturers, between businesses, and we step on people's toes because we can't recommend every part and we can't say good things about things that are probably not good or are not good after we tested them. So we literally step on toes and people get mad. And another thing too is shops is one of those places that are also upset because we teach people how to work on their own car where they want people to go there and spend money and drop off their car and they want to make a lot of money by just replacing simple parts, where we teach you how to do that. And on top of that, we can't recommend 1,000 products. We recommend the products that we like. A good example is we made a video about Mobil 1, the oil, and it went viral. And yeah, I mean, people are mad because they like AMSOIL or Motul or whatever, but Mobil 1's my oil. We also made a video about Michelin tires, and that went viral. Again, there's a ton of tires out there, but we like Michelin, so we made a video about Michelin. And the crazy thing too is sometimes we make products, video products or video review products, and they go viral as well. Like here recently, our battery monitor, it has 130,000 views, and the manufacturer reached out to us and they're like, we're sold out pretty much. Like we don't have anymore. You sold us out. And we've done that many times, and it's exciting. But again, people get upset because at the end of the day, we're doing stuff, we're recommending things, and we're teaching people, and we're guiding people, and there's only so many products and only so many things that we could align ourselves with. And it's cool though, because at the end of the day, like, we're gonna do what we have to do, but when you are doing videos to help people, it's interesting to see behind the closed doors that not everyone is going to be happy with that. Now, positive things have come out of this. As you saw, I was on VinWiki 7 times, which is crazy. And I've been sponsored by so many companies now that I'm already losing track. The front of our door literally looks like Christmas every other day. We get free stuff. People send us all kinds of things. It's crazy. And we're only 200 away from being platinum level on Amazon, which is absolutely insane. Like, I never even thought of that, being platinum level on Amazon. And on top of that, we're doing something that helps people. And what I mean by that is, at the end of the day, people could go review a car. You know, somebody's like, oh, look at this guy's channel. He gets in a car and he like reviews it and talks about it and stuff like that. Hey, you know what? That's cool. Like, I like those videos myself. Like, they're neat. But at the end of the day, we're not even in the same spectrum. We do stuff that requires a level of technical intelligence, and we're helping people do something. Like, yeah, knowledge is cool, learning about a car, if you like it or not, if the color is cool, if the air freshener is nice in the car. But at the end of the day, we're teaching people how to do technical, mechanical things. And that's what separates us from everyone else. And in today's world, unfortunately, the smart, intelligent things, you know, those are things, you know, that are more of a niche thing, which is good, because at the end of the day, like, only so many people could watch somebody talk about how, you know, this car feels real plush on a canyon, and that's exciting. Where, you know, people over the next years, they're constantly going to need our videos, and that's what we love. So at the end of the day, knowing that we are the best in the whole world is amazing, and we're not stopping. Like, as you can see, we get 2 cars at a time, and the NSX is a problem car because I need to be rotating cars so I can continuously keep the title. No one's even close to us of the most cars in the world, but I love the NSX so much that I can't get rid of it. So I am literally handicapping myself because I'm almost done with the NSX. Like, literally, we don't even know what to do anymore. We're putting plastic covers on the car, which is a great video, by the way. But, you know, when you love a car, you have to keep it. But that's what we're doing. We're just getting cars, reviewing them, doing DIY videos, and we've been so successful in it, and we've just dominated everyone. And it's cool because I'm just proud of what Elise and I have accomplished. And at the end of the day, like, you know, our numbers reflect and who we are reflected, and that just makes me proud. So, you know, the main point of this video is to let you guys know it's been a long journey and we're only getting started, and we have the greatest title to have the most sports car DIY videos and libraries in the entire world. All right, guys, thank you for watching.